So today I've been awake for an hour and a half and done nothing but lay in my bed. So we're off to a good Sunday start, but it's kind of nice to not have anything to do, you know? So like I can just lay in my bed and relax. But then I kind of get bored with that, so I'm gonna do stuff now because I actually have things to do. But I want to do a couple things. I need to do yoga, laundry, make a thumbnail and upload a video. I can't, okay, this finger doesn't want it, I don't know. So yeah, I need to get my day started. I didn't even stay up late, but I am just tired all the time. Let's get started. I need to make my bed and get dressed for yoga. Today I'm gonna wear my just black yoga pants and then this like kind of maroonish tank top that I've been wearing too much, honestly. Like I think I've worn it like almost every day, but it's so cute. So I'm not to blame. They shouldn't have made something so cute, honestly. I went to my town's Christmas parade last night with my best friend, and she hadn't gone in a while, and I went last year, but it's never like great. Like you don't go because it's like, oh my gosh, it's so cool, and like it's lame. It's always been lame and it will always be lame, but for some reason last night it was just terrible. Like I don't know what the hell they did that messed it up so bad, but the theme was Christmas under the sea, which is like, who came up with that and why? Like that is, how are we combining Christmas and like jellyfish? But there were so many people that had like umbrellas with like streamers down to be jellyfish, but like why? It unrolled. How? Ah. Okay, the fog's finally gone. When I woke up, you couldn't like see the stop sign. Wow, the lighting. Ah, so good. That yoga was harder than I thought it would be. Not gonna lie. It was only like 13 minutes. I didn't think it was gonna be so hard, but it kind of challenged me. I liked it. Alright, I did my makeup and now I'm gonna go to the store, get a little coffee, and then come home, make a thumbnail, and work on some music. I am so tired though. I feel like absolutely exhausted and I don't know why. So that's annoying. But let's do it. I'm gonna need some coffee. Pink drinkity! Hi. Okay, so it's been a little bit and I just got out of the shower, but I still need to make the freaking thumbnail. The video comes out in 57 minutes and I need to make it. So that's what we're gonna do. And I have like a pink drink left over still and some ginger snap cookies I'm gonna eat because I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast and it's 6:03 p.m. So let's do this. Okay, so I finished the thumbnail. Now I have to do the description, which honestly I hate so much. Especially like on a get ready with me video because there's so many products to link. I don't even know if it does anything. I just do it because that's what other people do. But yeah, I need to do that. All right, I know this was supposed to be a Sunday like reset vlog, but I forgot to wash my clothes and it's Tuesday now. So we're gonna do it and I'm gonna film it, so I make sure I do it. But we're gonna do it. Let's do it.